What is the difference between pressure and volume control on the ventilator? There's so many different modes on the ventilator, and don't even get me started on how each ventilator calls the same mode something different every single time, like ACVC or CMV, for example. Forget all that. Let's talk about the ventilator and make it super easy to understand. The difference between volume control and pressure control is how the vent decides to give the patient air. You can either give the patient a certain amount of air, or you can give the patient a certain amount of force to deliver that air. Each of these has pros and cons, so usually how you choose which mode can sort of become a personal preference. Let's start with volume control. In volume control, you set the tidal volume, or the certain amount of air that you want the patient to get. For instance, I want to give this patient 400 mils of air every time they take a breath. But to push that set volume in, the ventilator will either increase or decrease the amount of force it needs to achieve that volume. This means that the pressure the ventilator uses will change, but tidal volume will stay the same. Think of it like a soda bottle with a straw. Your mouth can only take so much volume from that soda bottle, but depending on how big the straw is, it'll be either harder or easier to get that amount of volume. So if you have a big straw, it only takes a little bit of effort to get a huge amount of volume. Now for pressure control, it's the opposite. You set the amount of pressure the ventilator will use to give that breath, and the ventilator will then deliver however much air that it can without going above that pressure. This means that the ventilator's pressure or force will remain the same, but the tidal volume will change based on how compliant the patient's lungs are. This is why pressure control can actually be safer in a sick patient's lung, because you're guaranteeing a safe pressure ceiling. Even if the lungs are stiff, you want to protect the alveoli from barotrauma. So the simple takeaway? Volume control guarantees volume, but pressure changes. In pressure control, it guarantees the pressure or the force, but volume changes. So next time you look at that vent screen, ask yourself, what's my goal? Is it a certain amount of volume or a certain amount of pressure?